Hello everyone, I am AmiT, your friends. So today I come here to you to make you learn something that new. I hope that you will all enjoy it. So today I am in front of you with 3 to 3 Rubik's Cube, and I think that everyone is familiar with it, and many of us can solve the Rubik's Cube, and they can solve it by 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 5 minutes. So that doesn't matter, but I don't come here to make you learn to solve the Rubik's Cube, but I am come here to make an interesting thing from the Rubik's Cube. Like I can tell you that the national flag of Bangladesh, because there are about 6 colors in the Rubik's Cube, so we can easily make the national flag of our country, and today I am going to teach you how to do it. So first I want to show the techniques. So okay, please watch it carefully. So we have got our national flag, Bangladesh. Salute. Okay, then we will break it down back. So now I will tell you the secrets of how to make it. You have to follow my instruction carefully. First of all, you have to take 2 colors, the orange and the blue. So you have to take the orange color at the top side of you, and you have to take the blue color in front of you. First of all, you have to move the right side clockwise, and you have to move the left side from clockwise, like this, clockwise. Now you have to turn the cube like a little bit. So couldn't you understand that? Then I will repeat the section again for you guys. So first take the blue side in front of you and take the orange side in top of you. Then do this. Then take the left side in front of you and do this. Then take the right side in front of you and do this. So here we get our national flag. I hope you are fully enjoyed it. So it's the time for your practice and practice and practice and practice. Then you will can make the national flag of Bangladesh. So I will now finish it back. So here we get.